Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, there is no approved fare increases for taxi operators.
That declaration from Transport Minister Darrell Vaz following reports that some public passenger operators have been charging more than what is stipulated by the Transport Authority.
Now, this development comes in the wake of the government announcing almost 24 new routes in the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region.
Ramarda Lyons reports.
Apart from potholes, there's another challenge in the public transport sector. Right across the corporate area, commuters are complaining. Why? They're being overcharged by taxi operators. Now our news team took to the streets today.
No, I'm not increase yet.
Yet, is there a plan?
Yeah, plan increase.
So how much?
Well, probably 2 bills to go 3 mile.
But not for schoolers.
School has 100. Yeah, we don't pressure them because sometimes them parents don't have it. So, we work with them still.
Any extra fare a schoolers would pay is $100 extra if they want a turn off run of them yard gate.
So
Otherwise, we don't charge the extra. Elder, adult pay $150, schoolers pay $100.
According to the Transport Authority, people traveling in the corporate area should pay no fare exceeding $160. For example, people traveling from Chisholm Avenue to downtown Kingston should pay $160. Halfway tree to Maxfield Avenue, $130. Now, Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says he's heard the complaints. His response, taxi operators will not be left to do as they please.
I've instructed the Transport Authority, based on the several complaints of overcharging on different routes throughout the island, to send out the Transport Authority WhatsApp hotline, encouraging commuters to take pictures of the license plate and a description of the incident so that it can be investigated and action taken. I'm not going to allow rogue taxi operators to bring the industry into disrepute. There is absolutely no approval for any rate increases at any level.
But commuters say they've been digging deeper in their pockets for more cash.
And then the taximen, some of them seem to be very unreasonable. So they do not follow the price range or whatever the government charges.
we have to go where we have to go. So we have to pay a fare, whether them charge we over or not. Sometimes we have to just go on because we have to travel. For me, going out on the road and the taxi man, me and them live good. So if me not have it, them now go kill me.
It's deplorable. For instance, on the Mona route, the students and adults have to pay $200 each to venture to school. And it's terrible because, but on the Mona route from Havertree to Mona, there's only one bus, which is a 72.
Mr. Vaz says there are also reports about Hackney carriage operators.
They have opted to divide the fare among the number of passengers carried, and this comes off to the passengers as a fare increase.
He says the Transport Authority will make 23 new routes available in the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region. This is so the Hackney carriage operators can transition.
If the UTC improves on its service, then I don't think they need to give the taxi.
We have benefit, but I don't want the government feel like say this beneficial is going to raise our taxes and insurance and all these things. So we benefit.
So what about other operators?
The changes to the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region should take effect in the coming weeks. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.